Take 3 raw coconuts and cut them into small pieces. Put these pieces into a blender jar, add a little water, and blend until you get a very smooth paste. Now place this paste in a muslin cloth or any clean cloth, strain it, and squeeze well to extract the coconut milk. You can discard the leftover pulp. Repeat the same process with all the coconut to extract the milk. Next, keep this coconut milk in the fridge overnight. In the morning, a layer of cream will form on top. Carefully collect all the cream and transfer it to a heavy bottom pan. Heat it on low flame and keep cooking. As it cooks, oil will start separating from the cream. Once this happens, strain the oil and also press the remaining mixture to extract all the oil properly. Many people watch the video, but no one likes it. However, there are a few kind and good people who like it with their lucky hands. Store the oil in a clean container. Your pure, natural coconut oil is now ready. You can use it on your skin and hair to help make your hair longer and your skin glowing. Do try it at least once.